Hi, second graders. This week for math, we are going to do something like what we did before Thanksgiving break with Tina the turkey, where we had to figure out and solve clues to find out where the missing turkey had gone. This week, we're going to be doing a case of the Snowman Army. So first, you're going to watch the video, and then each day this week, you will do a different clue. And today we're going to do 2, and then after you finish the clues for the day, then you will make extra math choice, prodigy, or you can do study island math or moose math. So after you get this done for the day, you can go and do one of those choices. All right, so you should have brought home a packet that looks like this, or come to pick up a packet that looks like this. Now remember, this is math every day. So while you might want to hurry up and finish it all on Monday, please don't. Please wait and do it along with the class. So this goes over what the case is. So I will read it. It also has to do with the video. It says the same thing. So it says, Math Mystery, Case of the Snowman Army. A terrifying army of snowmen are marching toward our city by the hundreds. And it could be at your doorstep before dawn if they are not stopped. They are freezing everyone in their path. Our guess, they're planning to take over the entire island. Patrick the mayor released the following statement. Everyone must stay indoors. Turn your heat up high and equip every member with a hairdryer and candle for protection. Snowmen hate the heat and will avoid anything that will cause them to melt. We must all remain calm. I'm hoping that one of our finest math detectives will be assisting us on this case to stop the Snowman Army from reaching the city. Larry, a friendly wizard, reported his discovery about what is going on. The Ice Queen has been imprisoned by the villainous warlock Waldo. Waldo is harassing her frost magic through the shackles that will keep her restrained, and he is using it to build the Snowman Army. We don't know how far Waldo will go or what his intentions are in Mathhattan. But we can assume that whatever it is, it can't be good. His Snowman Army are causing chaos all over the island as they try to freeze people and animals for their master. Citizens are afraid and don't know what to do. Larry advised us with the following. We need to stick where the warlock is keeping the Ice Queen and release her from the shackles. The Ice Queen is very powerful, and since Waldo is using her powers, only she will be able to put a stop to the Snowman Army that approaches us. I have cast a protection spell around the city to buy us some time, but it won't hold up for too long against the multiplying snowmen. Math detective needed to find where the Ice Queen is being held captive by the warlock. Larry has helped the police make a list of possible locations that the Ice Queen could be. But they need a great math detective to solve where she is before the Snowman Army reach the city. Hurry, the people are counting on you. Okay, so there's our mission. It says you have the same story, and here are all the possible locations. So just like last time, each time there is a clue that we solve, we have to go back to our possible locations page and cross out all the places that the Snow Queen's not going to be. So the 2 clues that you're going to do today is you're going to do clue number 1, comparing numbers, and then you're going to do clue number 4, even numbers. Now we're going to do those 2 clues today because they're not going to take you as much time as the other clues are going to take you. All right, so there's 5 clues. There's only 4 days this week of school, so that's why we're doing it that way. So Monday, you're going to do clue number 1 and clue number 4. And then Tuesday, you'll do clue number 2. Wednesday, you'll do clue number 3. And Thursday, you'll do clue number 5. And so on Thursday, we will figure out where the Ice Queen is being held. So let's look at clue number 1 first. It's called comparing numbers. So down here at the bottom, there are a bunch of numbers. So in each box, there are 2 numbers. And so for example, this says 6 or 8, 12 or 8, 16 or 21. And the directions say, crack the code by looking at each boxed pair of numbers and circling the larger number. So in this example box, the two numbers are 6 and 8. Well, 8 is a bigger number, so they circled 8. So then anytime there was an 8 underneath one of these boxes up here, they plugged in the letter W. So let's do this one. I'm looking at this box. I see the number 12 and I see the number 8. Which one is bigger? 12 is bigger. So I'm going to circle it. And then anytime up here I see the number 12, I'm going to write the number or the letter A. So I see a 12 here. I'm going to write an A. I'm going to go line by line. That's the only 12 that I see. I'm going to do one more just to make sure that you know. So here we go in this next box. I see the number 16 or 21. So which one of those numbers is bigger? 21 is bigger. So I'm going to circle 21. And then anytime I see a 21 up here, I'm going to write the letter N. So N. Remember, I'm going line at a time. All right, so I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 N's. Okay, so you'll continue to do that on your own. You'll figure out which number is bigger, circle it, and then find that number up here and put the letter that matches in that box, and it will reveal the first clue. And then you will go back to your possible locations, and you'll have to look at all the columns. So there's the name of a place, there's whether it's light or dark, the direction, so north, south, east, west, the type of place, is it underground or above ground, and then how you gain entry. So a magic spell, a key, a password. So you will definitely need to be crossing some of these out. All right, so then after you've done that for clue 1, then remember you're going to skip to clue 4. And it looks very similar to the one that we just did, but this time I see that it says even numbers. Now, if you remember, an even number is a number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. The chant that I like to say is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. We are even and we're great. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. We are even and we're great. So I like to think of that. So the 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 has to be in the ones place. So, for example, let me look at this number down here. 72. I see a 7. Well, 7 is not an even number, but that number 2 that's in the ones place is an even number. So the number 72 is even. So you're circling the even number. So it's not the greater number. It's not the larger number on clue number 4. It's the even number. So you're going to look at the two numbers. So for example, they did this one, 2 or 3. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we are even and we're great. Okay, 2 is an even number, so they circled it. Now let's go here. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we are even and we're great. 4 is an even number, so I'm going to circle the 4. And then anytime I see 4 up here, I'm going to write the letter A. So I see a 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. All right. After you have revealed clue number 4, you'll go back to the list of possible places or possible locations. You'll cross out what it can't be, and then you'll put this away for the day. Then you're done, okay? And you'll put it in a safe spot for Tuesday. So you're only doing clue 1 and clue 4 today. All right? And then after you have completed this, you may do extra math, Prodigy, or Moose Math. Also, like I said before, you could do Study Island if you know how to log on and do math that way. Okay, good luck.